Now we divide 910 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 1 and it is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting we get 0. So now we have remaining this 0 which we can put here. So 910 divided by 7 is 130. So this much for today and thanks for watching.